there, welcome to OC Pontoon Boat channel. Today I'm willing to solve many customers' headache assembling pontoon boat. Many customers feel very difficult to assembling the pontoon boat, so they want to choose the narrow width of the pontoon boat. But trust me, there is nothing to worry about it. Question 1. How to assemble the hull and what are the steps? There are two current widths of pontoon boats, 2.3 meter and 2.6 meter. If you like 2.3 meter boat, then congratulations! Your boat can be shipped completely. You can receive a whole boat. If you like 2.6 meter boat or the boat length above 8 meters, only 2.6 width available. The boat has to be shipped disassembly. Then please go ahead to watch this video. I will show you a pontoon boat model to easily understand the process. This is the pontoon boat model. It consists of 3 parts. The first part is the bottom part. There is 2 pontoons and a crossbeam part. Now I will show you a pontoon boat model to easily understand the process. A pontoon boat is made up of 3 main parts. The first is the bottom, which consists of 2 or 3 pontoons. The middle layer made of crossbeam and decking. The top section, which includes railings, sofas, and other accessories. The assembly process is also completely in this same order, from bottom to top. Now, let's start it. Now I will use some pins instead of a model to show how to assemble it. Suppose these are 2 pontoons and these are crossbeams. Assembling a pontoon boat is just like building a life-sized Lego set. The very important tools we need are electric screwdrivers and wrenches. Place the pontoons on a flap and open space. Each pontoon has pre-marked numbers on the top of the pontoons to match the crossbeams. We also have the numbers on the crossbeams. Make sure the numbers on pontoon boat and the numbers on the crossbeams are same, then tighten the screw. See, just like the Lego blocks. Step 2. Feed the electric wires through the gaps in the pontoons. This step is initial because these wires will later run up through the deck to power the components on the boat's top section. Take your time here and ensure the wires are neatly arranged. Step 3. Lay down the deck and floor onto the crossbeams. Secure them with screws at the pre-drilled holes, then attach the trim stripes and the 4 corner bumpers. Everything aligns perfectly, making this step straightforward. Step 4. Mount the railings, panels, and sofa. Again, follow the instruction to match each part to its designated hole. Just like the previous steps, it's as simple as lining up the pieces and tightening the screws, just like building Lego. And there you have it. From bottom to top, your pontoon boat is ready to hit the water. I hope this video has shown you how straightforward and enjoyable the assembly process is. When you give it a try, I'm confident you'll find it just as easy as I described it. Question 2. If I choose hydraulic steering system as an option, will it be installed and connected upon delivery? 2.6 meters boat disassembled. You need to assemble it yourself after receiving the boat. We will provide installation videos and instructions. You can contact us at any time. If you have any questions about the installation, you can also install it together at the engineer seller. Question 3. How to assemble wires and lines. Same as the last questions. Each connection of the wires will be numbered as long as it is connected according to the corresponding numbers. The above is the answers to the questions. We will definitely go through the strict quality and inspections before shipment to ensure every customer can receive the products with high quality. If you are interested in our Pontoon boat or have any questions, please contact with us and follow our channel.